Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Luxtension collection in the style of velvet. So right now I'm actually wearing them. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up. So this is how, okay, so it's going to be like this. Okay, then I'll do an extra close-up. So cute, okay. So I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see what it looks like up close. It's super cute. So here's the close-ups of the velvets. They're super cute. They kind of actually remind me of the chiffon ones. They're just slightly different. These aren't as long. Okay, so that was the close-up. So these are cute. I love them. You should go get some. All the collections are super cute. I ran into these trying to look for the rest of the collection of the Naked Drama collection. I couldn't find it. Then I ran into this one. I was like, oh, these are cute. So then I had to pick them up. Super cute. I like them. I was like, oh, this is like an everyday or even just going out. I mean, it's cute. All the Kiss products, I love them. I always am at Walgreens buying some lashes. The only thing I don't like about them is the base of the strip. It says that it's a super slim band flat lash tech. So yes, it is flat, but it's still kind of thick. Like, it's flat, but the strip is still long. I don't know if that makes sense, but you'll understand it once you get it. The only reason why I don't really like that part is because for me, I put my eyelashes underneath my eyelid, and when it gets closer to like my inner eye or the outer eye, the thickness can get irritating if you put it on too close to the inner or the outer. I don't, but there's times where I have to go back, take it back off, and then clip it because I mean, it hurts. That's the only thing I would say. I do like that it is a slim band, but it's not, it's still a thick, I don't know how to explain. If you have to get it to like understand what I'm saying, but it's cute. I'm still gonna get them. I'm not gonna put them too close to my inner eye, or you know. These are cute. Go get you some. I'm gonna go get the rest of the collection because they look super cute. All right, so that's it for my review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.